We all know that the precision machining of hard and brittle materials like metal, hard quartz, silicon, and ceramics typically uses grinding processes. Beijing Jingdiao can precisely match Jingdiao equipment to meet your grinding processing needs for hard and brittle materials. Currently, Beijing Jingdiao has developed a comprehensive product series for the precision grinding of hard materials, including metals, quartz, glass, ceramics, and other hard and brittle materials. Beijing Jingdiao offers a variety of equipment models to meet these specific needs.